Hi, I am Farshad. I was the winner of 45 under 45 Leadership Awards by Global CEO Forum. Being a winner of these awards, I'm getting a lot of opportunities to interact with CEOs and industry leaders to upgrade my leadership skills. So today, I was invited to take part in one of the leadership programs organized by Global CEO Forum together with Lanka. So the event was very interesting. I was able to get a lot of informations, and especially how to manage the people in the organization, as well as how to counter-attack the market situations and how to take the brand forward was the key takeaway for me today. And I'll try my best to implement those in my organization as well. Thank you so much for the opportunity provided by Global CEO Forum. Thank you.
Global CEO Magazine. Global CEO Magazine, inspiring excellence.